Hey guys, where we going today?
Get a Tesla.
Get a Tesla?
Pick up the Tesla.
Pick up the Tesla. You guys excited?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This is
Poor thing that Aiden and Kelly don't get to come.
they got to come, huh? Only us three. And
They're
right
too
now,
small.
we're waiting for who?
The Uber?
The Uber driver.
Why are we going in that car?
If we take this car, then who's gonna drive back the Tesla? Right? Are you guys excited?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, huh?
You want to hear a joke?
Okay, go for it.
What do you call a gay dinosaur?
A gay dinosaur? Is it such a gay? I don't know.
Megasaurus.
Huh?
Megasaurus.
Megasaurus? I don't know. You're crazy. Stop with all the jokes already.
Why? Aren't they good?
Yeah. All right, so we arrive at the Tesla dealership.
We got a red one.
Oh, this one is not for sale. It's a red one, but it's not for sale. Look at this one. Nice.
There's another one there.
Okay, I'm gonna check in. Let's go check in. Follow me, guys. Ooh, Tesla.
I'm the second biggest here.
Yeah, second biggest. Look at all these Teslas here. So many Tesla.
Ain't a Tesla.
That's
That
a-
ain't a Tesla.
Can we go find our Tesla? It should have our name on it. Or my name on it. This is a red one. So how hard is it, right? Bây giờ mình đi tìm chiếc xe Tesla màu đỏ.
There's one red one over there.
Where?
Look at that.
So it looks like all these Teslas Model Y, they don't have the matrix headlights. None of them.
The square thingy on them. The thing right here.
Well, whose name is this? Oh no, I don't know. It doesn't have my name on it. This one has somebody. Oh, is that? How about that red one? Could it be ours?
I can't find a J.
It is ours.
It's ours?
This is our car right here, guys.
Where does it say your name?
My name is over there.
Wow.
In there, right there. You see that?
Oh, Jonathan
Oh my
P.
God, Jonathan P. This is our car.
Like pee-pee?
So, as you can see here, the headlights is not matrix. I don't think any of them are matrix.
What are matrix?
What's going on?
What are
Oh.
matrix?
Matrix is mean like the light has the what you call it, the round circle,
Dad?
the projector.
Dad? Why? You want the round circle?
See, check to see if there's any imperfection.
Why you want it to be perfect?
Yeah, it has to be perfect.
It's an imperfection, Dad.
Where?
Why you come?
Continental.
Dad, I found a dent in it.
Where?
Come, look.
There can't be a dent. Oh no, just yeah, it's not that good. And maybe, yeah,
I told you there was a dent.
not a dent.
Then what the heck is it?
Okay, look, how about check here?
What's this?
The door, the panel gaps.
Can we open it now?
Not yet.
Open.
Hold on.
Opens like this. You push this part and then you grab it.
I think you push this part.
Oh, that part.
Yeah. Look, so this one looks good.
Oh, no,
Looks good, right? Well, how come this one's sticking out? It's not that smooth.
What, it's to be smooth?
Yeah. Well, this one looks okay. Not bad. Right?
Cricket. Oh, yeah.
Cricket.
I'll check the butt. Checking the butt.
You're checking the butt?
It's here. Is this the crack or is it just dirty?
Where? No, I think it's just dirty.
You're gonna wash it later,
Yeah,
right?
it's just dirty, yeah. It's a dual motor.
Another dent.
No, that's not the dent.
What is it?
The gap is here. Like, it's not bad.
I'm gonna open it now.
We can't open it yet. We gotta go inside.
Come on, then.
Oh, what is this?
Yeah, I'm going inside. Yeah.
Hmm? And this side is better than the other side. This one,
Way
look it.
smoother.
This one looks kind of bad.
Well, you're the one who bought it. We wasted $7,000.
Not
And you're
$7,000.
complaining.
Look at this. How many megapixels is this light? I don't know.
Oh, I think it looks purple and blue.
We
Okay.
just get the baby Tesla.
And now it's our first time experiencing it.
Exactly.
Now turn right onto
Oh.
West Spring Street.
It's our first time in a Tesla, but not Dad's. No, we've been in Uncle's Tesla before, I
That's
think.
true.
And Auntie's Tesla. Oh, yeah. The first time in our own Tesla.
Yep.
Our Tesla.
How does it feel, guys?
Good.
Good, huh?
I like the new little tiny AC.
Oh my God, I can't believe it. It's our car.
AC, the back. Can I show them around?
Yeah, sure.
I don't know what this thing is right here. I think it's a light, but I don't know what the other thing is. Here's the window. It got this little space right here. Speakers. This is the thing to open the window, and this, I think that unlocks the door. And it's like this little space right here, and there's a space over there. Dang, that Mommy C has a lot of space. But
Yeah.
how are we gonna pick up Grandma?
I don't know.
I'll go in the back seat. I'll go in the trunk.
Somebody gotta go into the trunk.
No, I wanna. But we gotta move that magnetic thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I wanna go in the trunk. I'm going in the trunk. Sometimes there's really bumpy roads. But then there'll be more space for me to sleep, right, Dad?
Yeah.
I'm taking the trunk. No, I am. Then get in the trunk. No. They don't have a seatbelt back there. Dad, does Go High have a Tesla?
No.
Oh, then you're not the last one that always gets a Tesla. You're not. Yay.
All right, guys. So, finally got the car home. Really happy with the car. That was my first time driving the Tesla that long. It's about 30-something minutes from Long Beach back to West Covina. It's beautiful. The wife really loved the color. So, you know what? Happy wife, happy life. So let's. I'll just tell you what my car comes with, and then maybe it's different between the different factory. This one here. Very unfortunate it doesn't come with the matrix headlights. It's a regular one, the old one, and I was hoping that I would get like Michelin tires, but instead I got the Continental. So I guess, and then I've seen cars on over there that they have Goodyear on it as well too. So I don't know if they run out of the Michelin, or they had used like different types of manufacturers. But my sister has a Tesla Model 3 and it's Michelin, but my brother, who bought a Model Y long range, has a Goodyear, and my cars come with Continental. So as far as the panel gap, this car is really good. This car is made in Austin. Very nice. Love the red color. I'm looking forward to do some kind of PPF to protect the paint and the color. Nice, beautiful, very nice. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. The other car that I really excited and loved was my G35. That was back in 2005. And this is the other car that I'm really excited. And my next car is the Cybertruck. So, man. So just to look inside, we got the black color interior. You can see here. See, congratulations, Jonathan. Beautiful. Nice. So I bought this car like literally like 2 days ago. Really fast. And I bought it off of the the website, and I saw it, I clicked it, and then I did everything, the financing, everything, I think within 20 minutes. And man, I can't believe it. And then now I really have it. Take a look on the back. Oh, another thing is, for some reason, I see like water condensations inside the lens already. So, and I talked to the guy there, and he said it's very normal. And he said, you know what, just go ahead and accept it, and then put in like a service order or something through the app, and they'll take care of it. But I'm surprised, you know, Tesla, come on, man. You know, a $70,000 car.
Daddy, we found a secret like water holder place in the middle seat.
And already, brand new car. Can you believe it? And it only happens to one side. So I'm gonna try it out like the service on the app and see how they do, you know. But other than that part right there, everything else looks good, you know. All the gap, it's nice. Very happy with it, and I drove it home, and it's very smooth. Yes.
Dad, my friend in my class who used to sit next to me, he didn't even know what a Tesla is.
Oh, they don't even know what Tesla is? Oh. Wow, look at this. Wow. It's just, you know what? It's just the Model Y. It is the best-selling car. It's nice. It's just lovely. Look at this car. I'm happy. Very happy. Oh, yeah, I forgot about opening the trunk. Okay, let's take a look inside.
Hello, Daddy.
It does come with this cargo cover.
Dad,
And
Daddy, it comes with an
there we go. And it does come with the license plate for the front, and also the charger for the adapter for the non-Tesla third-party charger. Okay, but man, it's nice.